Today's feature is on the Tomica Toyota Japan Taxi, which is also a Japan exclusive for the Tokyo 2020 Olympics. I will do a comparison between these two Toyota Taxi with the Mainline, which was released last month. This Toyota Japan Taxi is released alongside with the Enzo Ferrari last month. The body color appears to be black on the box, but it's not, it's in fact blue. I can't really recall if I see this Toyota Taxi when I visited Japan last summer, but now this taxi is definitely on the road in Tokyo with the Olympics logo. Just like any other mainline, it doesn't feature any opening parts. It comes in a standard Tomica suspension, and as always, a beautiful paint job with minimal details. And now let's focus on the Toyota Japan Taxi with the 2020 Olympics logo. Big thanks to my buddy James from Japan who sent this to me and a few of my other buddies. This casting is an official licensed product for the Tokyo 2020 Olympics. You can see it features a close-up of the car livery on the Olympics logo. At the side, it showcases the side profile of the casting with the Olympics logo as well. Printing quality, to be honest, is not very good on the box. You can see the smudges on the ink. The other end is identical, which features the side profile of the taxi. When flip open the cover, you can see the two Olympics logo again, and also the casting enclosed in the blister. Alright, the casting is now out of the box. The casting is totally identical with the mainline. There's no surprises except for the Olympics livery difference. On close-up, you can see the Toyota logo is showcased proudly alongside with the Olympics logo, and similar to the mainline casting, it doesn't feature any opening parts with only a standard Tomica suspension. Except for the taxi sign which signal the vacancy, everything is the same. This Japan exclusive is released just 1 month after the mainline launch, and although identical, this Olympic exclusive is definitely a collectible. Remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone, bye!